Yesterday was a surprise with a high of 1.14. I was not expecting that, but we understand the low of yesterday, 112.65. 112.65 is a possible weekly support. From there the market would go up. So it is possible to buy today on the daily support against the low made yesterday at 112.74 would be the entry buy for the Forex. The stop is large of 35 pips. It's a big stop because we need to cover all the way down to 112.30, covering our next weekly support and daily reversal at 112.58 and 112.49. If you don't want to work with a 35 pip stop, you can wait till the market goes to 112.58 and enter at 112.58 with a 20 pip stop. Today the market could go as low as 112.33. We will enter as a buyer at 112.34 with a 20 pip stop. If lower, then market could go this week on our next monthly support. This week means today at 111.60 level. That will be our last buy level and strongest buy level, 111.63 with a 30 pip stop. The second take profit should be open. Today the high of the day was 113.10. 113.10 is a possible daily resistance. From there the market would go towards 112.30. If higher, our first sell level today in Forex will be 113.25. Again, we need to work with a 30 pip stop covering our next resistance level. If you want to lower the risk, it is possible to wait until the market goes towards 113.60. Today the market could go as high as 113.80, so it's a stronger and safer sell level. Entry 113.63 with a 30 pip stop. Let's take a look at the weekly RSI bar chart. The weekly RSI bar chart gave us a bearish sign 2 weeks ago, and now it gave us a maybe supportive sign, but the market could go as low as 111.50 and still be supportive this week, and we can then retest the high made 3 weeks ago, and that would create a negative divergence, meaning we're going to have a lower RSI figure but a higher price, and that would be a good sell level. Let's take a look now at the daily RSI. After this very nice signal to go down, we're retesting the high. Market finds support today at 112.73. You can see that this support here is 112.44, so this is where our stop should be, below the 112.44, and the line connecting the bottom here is actually 112.44, okay, sorry, and below that the same low here, market has to go to 112.20 to equal that low. So I think below 112.40 it becomes increasingly weaker, and we're going to have to wait until it gets to 11.60. So 112.73 first support, 114.08 would be a resistance retesting that high, and 114.60 would close the gap over here. That is the 114.60, but it's way high. So before that we would have to see what the market is doing on our daily support. The low of the day was 112.89, so a little bit lower. We have our first daily support, 112.70 level, and high of the day was 113.10. We have to wait it gets to 113.25 for our first sell level. 113.63 is supposed to be a safer sell level.